easiest way to start an online business. Anyone, regardless of occupation, strives to find a calling in business, then boost the chances of success. This particular quest calls for something extra and worthwhile. Our dynamic world, characterized by plenty of opportunities, requires one to kick off the ever-admired journey to entrepreneurship. We are in an era where more than 80% of working employees believe that starting a business is better than a paying job. Access to technological resources and tools are readily available, yet shockingly, only 30% of those people make their entrepreneurial move a success story. This hints only a few are aware of business fundamentals. How to utilize tools to leverage output for success. What is output for success? It's simple. More customers and profits. What are the most common questions when starting a business? What is my motivation level? How far are you willing to go? Where exactly is my starting point? Know thyself. What knowledge and or resources are required to start and succeed in business? What don't I know that I don't know? However, these questions are just the tip of the iceberg. In such a digital world, the ultimate question is critical yet simple. How do you start and pursue an online business, and where do you start? The core reason for emphasizing online business is because the online marketplace is the place to be, even as a brick and mortar. Thriving businesses exist today to emanate an idea backed by great zeal and commitment to realize success. However, the greatest dilemma in the minds of many is how to get started in the business. It gets even harder because of the ever-changing consumer behavior. In the past decades, consumers preferred physical buying, unlike today's generation that has leaned on online purchase. Everyone wants a product or service delivered within a click of a button. Instead of walking around the store taking extensive product tracing on the shelves, people want to carry out simple scrolling on their smartphones, tablets, and computers to deliver a service or product. Therefore, walking online marks a profound step, simply a new form within our business marketplace. Cracking the where do I start is time and again a hurdle for many. We all must start with the realization that success of the business is dependent on the number of paying customers. Most customers begin as just a lead. Every beginner needs to know one truth. Building an online business is a journey that requires one to utilize robust lead generation tools for rapid business growth. This multi-tool software allows any sales or business owner to find leads online, increase lead conversions from visitors, get more reviews to increase reputation. A lead reflects a person or interest in acquiring a particular product or service. Getting leads for the business is the first step towards realizing sales. Today, we have the capability to scrape and extract such as emails, phone numbers, and addresses as leads from social media and any websites. Online business starting point. Thousands of people across Canada, the UK, and the USA start and grow their business by following a straightforward criterion. Solving a market need is essential. The frequent mistake in starting a business is looking for a product before looking for a market. The first step is to identify the market's needs and consumer pain points and being able to fulfill them. The more important and serious the problem you are solving is, the higher the profit return. There is always a problem that needs to be solved. The internet world is abundant with avenues to solving problems not only for other businesses, but also for your own. Keyword search, checking competitor sites, and visiting online forums are some of the great ways to unleash effective marketing research. Create a compelling market message about solving their problem. An intention to sell must be grounded on consumer persuasion. Thus, a sales copy is more of a text to make the product or service ring in the minds of the masses. However, since gaining traction takes time, the end consumers must be constantly reminded of the benefits emanating from the product service in question. Few tips for online business enthusiasts entail arousing the internet users with compelling headlines, in-depth product description, establishing credibility as problem solver, making offers and creating urgency, asking for the sale. Throughout your copy, you need to focus on how your product or service is uniquely able to solve people's problems or make their lives better. An excellent sales copy should constantly challenge the business owner or organization to think and ask like customers. What's in it for me? Launch your website. Designing, building, and actualizing the business website remains a dream come true for many. With a product and market in place, the selling process starts to unfold. This is where the social proof widget to increase website credibility comes into play. Precisely, website needs to be customized to improve the much needed conversion and engagement in the website. Anyone can access and benefit from increased conversion, more website engagement, and lead generation, as getting started and registering is free. Keeping the website simple is critical and a must do for everyone. While relying on a website for service or product awareness, the only time available to grab customers' attention ranges from 3 to 5 seconds. Thus, the website design, headlines, and any other content should be catchy. Otherwise, no clicks, conversions, and engagements. How about trying out the following? The right choice of fonts, maintaining clear and simple navigation on every page, embracing graphics to enhance message content, making it overly easier to buy. Few clicks should lead to checkout. Ensure the website is customer friendly. How can you forget to find new leads by fetching emails from website visitors using enrichment data software? By doing so, you find new emails, which means more leads. Use search engines to drive traffic to your site. Follow up with your customers and subscribers by email. You shouldn't struggle to extract emails, sending emails, capturing leads, and building emails from first name, last names, and company name. Employ back-end sales and upselling to boost the income flow. Now let us look at some of the right tools for business. Of all the existing strategies to succeeding in business, having the right tools to enhance your business overrides all. Top multinational corporations like Coca-Cola, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft have benefited immeasurably from business enhancement tools. Daily, thousands of businesses strive to utilizing various tools to obtain more fresh leads for new customers, engage with current customers, pipeline and funnel management, communication, and more. There is a constant quest for increasing customers, generating leads, and cost-effective email marketing from a beginner to an existing business guru. And Rubedo AI has been offering the most reliable tools for digital marketing. You also need to transform your organization with more leads. This is your great chance to embrace the lead tools. Here are the top lead tools for you. Enrichment and prospecting tools. You need to find new leads for your business. Find B2B contacts, find B2B companies, find B2C local businesses, find domains and from company names, prospecting tools, LinkedIn extract emails, LinkedIn, automate your visits and connection requests, web browsing, extract emails, shortcuts, messages. Wait, you must have heard what people say about starting a business online. Dozens of them will tell you that starting a business needs a business plan, a mentor, and capital. Whereas these notions are true, they may never mention to you that starting a business, especially online, is the easiest thing to do. There are already thriving businesses online that started with little or no money. Yes, it is possible. Start with the emails and contacts, then transform your organization fast with more leads. Lead tools from Rubedo AI wipes out the frustrations as the right lead generation methods are guaranteed. There are struggles and pains pertaining to cost-effective email strategy, CRM systems, more leads, increasing customers, and large account management should worry you no more. Look, you just need an idea. Then follow the identified steps and soon you will see how easy the story to greatness started. The good thing is that once you have your website, you can always catch up with the best software for lead generation for professional yet practical and proven business success mechanisms. This is because starting is one thing and registering growth is another. Something that needs you to keep an open mind and willingness to embrace lead generation solutions. You know what? It's already your turn to grow your organization towards desired greatness. At the end of the day, you need to transform your organization fast with more leads. This will see you through all seasons.